Ever scroll through a magazine and wonder how luxury spaces get that expensive, almost magical feel? It's not about a bottomless budget, it's about a masterfully crafted illusion. Top designers use subtle, clever tricks with light, scale, and texture to create a deep sense of sophistication. And the good news? These tricks aren't trade secrets, they are easy to learn and implement. So here are 5 cheap, completely renter-friendly hacks to make your apartment look and feel genuinely expensive. Because true luxury isn't about buying high-end things, it's about clever strategy. Trick 1. The Great Lighting Lie. First up, the Great Lighting Lie. That single harsh overhead light in your rental is the number one thing making your space feel cheap. It casts unflattering shadows and creates a sterile, flat atmosphere. Luxury spaces don't just have light, they glow. You can create that glow by layering light at different heights. Start by changing your bulbs to a warm 2700 Kelvin color temperature. It's the secret to that boutique hotel vibe. This warm, yellowish light promotes relaxation and a sense of comfort, unlike cooler lights that can feel harsh and clinical. Then, the most important step, stop relying on that overhead fixture. Add at least 2 other points of light. For example, place a tall, elegant arc lamp so it hangs over your sofa, and then add a substantial table lamp on an end table or console. Stick them in dark corners to create warm, inviting pools of light. This technique eliminates harsh shadows and makes the entire room feel cozier and more dynamic. The goal is to have a soft, multi-directional glow, not a single spotlight from above. Trick 2. The Scale Illusion. Next, let's create the illusion of scale. The most common mistake people make in a smaller apartment is filling it with lots of small, disconnected things, a dozen little picture frames, a collection of tiny souvenirs, small pieces of furniture. This doesn't make the space feel bigger, it just creates visual clutter and makes everything feel cramped. The secret is to go for fewer, but much larger, items to create a sense of grandeur. The best place to start is your windows. Hang your curtain rod as high as you can possibly get it, just a few inches below the ceiling. Then, extend the rod 6 to 10 inches past the window frame on each side. Finally, make sure the curtain panels are long enough to just kiss the floor. This single trick draws the eye upward and outward, instantly faking taller ceilings and a wider room. The same go big rule applies to decor. Ditch the busy gallery wall of tiny prints. Instead, commit to a single piece of oversized art or a large full-length floor mirror leaned against a wall. This creates a powerful, confident focal point, making the entire room feel more expansive and deliberate. Trick 3. The Texture. The third trick is all about texture. An expensive room doesn't just look good, it makes you want to touch everything. Texture is your secret weapon for adding richness, depth, and a multi-sensory experience that screams luxury. Think of cozy, touchable materials like velvet, boucle, wool, or even a chunky knit. You can add these in small but incredibly impactful ways. First, ditch the matching, flat-looking pillow set that came with your sofa. Instead, curate a collection. Buy a few pillow covers in a variety of different materials. For example, imagine a rich velvet pillow paired with a nubby boucle one and a simple, organic linen cushion. The combination is instantly more dynamic and feels collected over time. Next, drape a thick, chunky knit throw blanket over the arm of a chair. And for your area rug, make sure it's large enough for at least the front legs of your sofa and any accent chairs to sit on. When a rug is too small, it looks like a bath mat floating in the room. A large rug anchors all the furniture, making the entire conversation area feel unified, grounded, and complete. Trick 4. The Cohesion Conspiracy. Now for the Cohesion Conspiracy. Professionally designed spaces feel so seamless and put together because of cohesion. That's just a fancy word for repeating a specific finish, color, or material throughout the home. This repetition creates a sense of rhythm and intention. The easiest and cheapest way to achieve this is with hardware. Your kitchen and bathroom probably have standard, builder-grade knobs and pulls. They're functional, but they're generic. Swapping them for something new is a cheap, completely reversible upgrade that makes a massive difference. Just pick one metal finish and commit to it. For example, decide on matte black or brushed brass. Then, replace the pulls on your kitchen cabinets, the knobs on your bathroom vanity, and even the handles on a dresser in your bedroom with your chosen finish. This one simple change creates a unifying thread that runs through your whole apartment, making it feel intentional, custom designed, and far more expensive than it is. Trick 5. The negative space secret. The final secret is arguably the most powerful. It's all about negative space. This trick isn't about what you add, but what you take away. Luxury is calm, uncluttered, and confident. Empty space allows your decor to breathe, creating a sense of calm that is the ultimate hallmark of a high-end space. So, challenge yourself to go on a decor diet. Look at every surface and try editing down your purely decorative items by half. Look at your bookshelves. Instead of lining them edge to edge with a dozen small objects and paperbacks, group just 3 to 5 items of varying heights. Maybe it's a stack of 2 beautiful hardcover books, a small plant, and 1 sculptural object. Leave the rest of the space completely empty. This is how you elevate objects from simple clutter into a curated collection. It allows each piece to be seen and appreciated. Apply this to your kitchen counters, the top of your dresser, and your coffee table. An uncluttered space feels controlled, peaceful, and undeniably luxurious. Conclusion. So there you have it. 5 simple strategies to completely change how your home feels without breaking the bank. It was never about spending a lot of money. It was always about the strategy. It's using layered light for warmth, large-scale pieces for a sense of grandeur, rich textures for depth, cohesive hardware for a custom finish, and negative space for a calm, curated feeling. True luxury is a feeling, and now you have the blueprint to create it. So, which of these tricks are you excited to try first? Are you heading out to buy new light bulbs, or are you about to go on a major decor diet? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you love these secrets to creating a beautiful home on a budget, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.